Kailangan maninindigan ka rin na, hindi ko pa time. Break ko pa. Hindi dahil break mo, tatakbo ka dun. Dahil emergency daw. Nope. It's my break time, guys. You have to respect my hours too, the way I respect yours, you know. Dahil kung
Hi
hindi,
everybody! Oh my god, such a gorgeous day. Gorgeous day. So, we are going for our lunch break. And I think I'm not gonna sit in the car because it's too hot. We're gonna take a chair and sit just beside tree, okay? Let's get our chair here. Let's find a spot. Let us find a spot somewhere. Okay, we'll go here. Under the tree. Under the tree. Okie dokie. This is where we're gonna be. Okay, people, so we'll get a nice spot here. This is where we're gonna have our break. Let's have our chair. Ta-da! There you go. Maybe just here. Just here, guys. There you go. We'll get our food. Alrighty. Here you go. Got something. Increase ko kaya. Let's increase it. Hindi kita. Hindi siya kita, guys. Dapat may bato. May isa ka pang bato. There you go. Alright. Nice day today. Ay, puke. Hindi balance. Walang iya. Ayan. Let's see here. Hindi pa rin balance. Bakit ba hindi to balance? There you go. Let's see. Much better, guys. Much better. So, okay. So, break tayo today. Right now. Let's have something to eat. See what I have? I am having mini pitas. I have 4 mini pitas with tzatziki and hummus. Diba? I'm actually in front of the building where I work. Oh my god, so good. This is so good. Lunch break, guys. Pita and tzatziki.
Love, love, love. Mm. So, it's Friday today, guys. And I'll be working this weekend. Supposed to be my off day today, but they called me to do overtime. And since I have nothing special to do, I said yes. Because, we have bills to pay. My car insurance is coming up. Time to renew. It's about $1,000 or more. I have to call them to get a lesser insurance price. And then I have to renew my driver's license. And then the school tax came in, so I have to pay the school tax too. Plus, the hydro is coming anytime soon. Everything is coming. My goodness. Only the money is not coming. The bills, they keep coming. The bills keep coming, keep piling. The money doesn't. All right. The next one will have hummus. Ta-da! Hmm. Hmm. I still tzatziki. Ah, okay. Tzatziki, guys. It's one of my favorites. Anyways. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. This is just so good and very filling. I only had four little pitas, filled with hummus and the other two filled with tzatziki. Tzatziki is I think it's a mix of Greek yogurt, cucumber, a little bit of lemon, something like and garlic, something like that. Hummus is chickpeas with probably olive oil. I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not a good cook. I just like to eat. Ah, that was so good. So good, guys. What time is it? 15 minutes past. Ah, ice water. Oh, so it's just Lodi Lashin. Why? Why? Mm. Hi. Okay, guys. So, my supervisor called me. That's why we got cut off. He knows I'm on my break. I don't know why he called, but anyway, he called me to say there's an emergency on my floor that has to be done. But it's my break. My break is my break. It's still gonna be there when I come. So I'll do it as soon as I finish my break. So that's the way it is, guys. Your time is your time. When it's your break, you have to take your break or you lose your break. They don't pay you extra if you go up there during your break time, you know? So, if it's really an emergency, then they have to do it. First of all, if it's something messy, they have to clean it up first before I go there and disinfect. You know, we don't pick up stuff like dirty stuff. We just clean and disinfect. So if there is like, excuse me the word, if there's like a vomit there, they have to pick it up before we clean and disinfect. If there's a number 2 there, like, you know what's number 2? They have to pick it up, take it out before we come in, and clean up and disinfect. That's how we do it, guys. We do not pick up stuff. We don't pick up vomit. Even the pee-pee, guys. They have to wipe it up first before they call us to come and clean and disinfect. We clean and disinfect. That's it. So, if there is like a caca on the floor, then they have to pick it up before we come, clean and disinfect. That's how it is. So, that's how our job is. We don't clean up because there's a caca on the floor. We have to clean up the caca. No, they have to take it out, clean it up, pick up everything that can be picked up, and then they call us to clean up and disinfect. That's it. O, di ba? Ganun lang yun, guys. You know, it's not as dirty and as messy as you think it is. Kasi ganun dito. Kanya-kanya tayo ng trabaho. So, especially if it's break time natin, pag break time mo, oras mo. Dapat nga hindi ka nila tatawagan. Kasi syempre alam naman nila na break time mo yun eh. You have the right not to answer the phone. So, but I always answer the phone. It's just that it's my break time, so they know I'm not gonna go there. So, but gagawin ko naman yun. I'm gonna do it right after my break, which is in about 10 more minutes. So, kung ganun pa rin yun at hindi nila tinanggal yung kailangan nilang tanggalin, hindi ko yun gagalawin. Kailangan muna nilang tanggalin ng mga bagay-bagay bago ako pumasok sa kwarto at bago ko siya linisin at i-disinfect. Ganun yun, guys. Hindi kami dito nagpipick up ng kaka sa floor. Hindi kami nagpipick up ng suka sa floor. Hindi namin trabaho yon. Hindi dahil sa nagki-cleaning kami or hindi dahil cleaner ka, you're in the housekeeping, yun ang gagawin mo. No. May certain things tayo dito na ginagawa. Like, hindi rin kami nagbobomba ng inidoro. Pag nag-block ang toilet, guys, hindi kami ang nag-a-unblock. Tatawagan lang nila kami kapag na-unblock na nila yung toilet, and then we will clean up the toilet. That's how we do it. Hindi kami para magbomba ng inidoro, para i-unblock whatever is there. May mga taong dapat gagawa nun. So, ganun yun, guys. So, hindi naman, wala namang problema kung nagtatrabaho ka sa housekeeping. Like I said, kanya-kanya ng ano yun. Or siguro dahil, I don't know sa iba, pero dito sa amin, sa CUs, like sa government, kanya-kanya kami ng kanya-kanya kami ng ginagawa. So, meron tinatawag na maintenance, sila yung mga gagawa ng mga may sira, block ang toilet, ganyan, they have to unblock the toilet, sila yun. may tinatawag na housekeeping, which is kami yun. Mag-clean up, mag-disinfect. Meron din which is ng mga babies, sila yung personal nag-assist sa mga residente. So, if there's something happen, mga emergency na ganyan, let's say, may sumuka, or may umihi, or may dumumi, ng aksidente sa sahig, then kailangan nilang tanggalin muna yun bago nila kami tawagan, bago namin gawin ang trabaho. So, pagdating namin, kung meron man dun, smear na lang. Hindi yung buong whatever is there. You know? Kasi kailangan namin din i-protect yung sarili namin. You know? So, ganun yun guys. Ganun lang. That's why I said, ganun kasimple, ganun kadali. Hindi natin kailangan i-complicate lahat ng bagay. Mas marami pang stressful. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi naman minsan yung trabaho ang stressful. Ang stressful minsan yung mga kasama mo. Hindi mo maiiwasan, syempre. Magkakaiba tayo na ugali. Minsan ay uutakan ka. Pautakan ba? Uutakan ka na, you know. Ay, nako guys. Kailangan maninindigan ka rin talaga. Dahil kung hindi, aabusuhin ka. Kaya ako, as long as ginagawa ko yung trabaho ko, I do my job, I come in on time, I leave on time, I take my breaks on time, I do my job right, and wala akong nakikitang dahilan para i-complain nila ako or something, or awayin nila ako for something. You know? Kailangan maninindigan ka rin na, hindi ko pa time, break ko pa. Hindi dahil break mo, tatakbo ka dun. Dahil emergency daw. Nope. It's my break time, guys. You have to respect my hours too, the way I respect yours, you know. Dahil kung hindi, aabusuhin ka. Hindi lang, pag hindi mo muna hinintay or hindi mo sinabi sa kanila na, dapat, pick upin nyo muna yung suka or pick upin nyo muna yung dumi sa sahig or whatever dumi is that na nasa sahig. Pick upin nyo muna bago ko gawin. Kung hindi nyo gagawin, hindi nyo sasabihin yun. At ikaw ang magsisimulang gumawa, aabusuhin ka guys. Makakasanayan nila na, okay lang pala. Okay lang pala kay Ayi. Hindi na nila gagawin ang dapat nilang gawin. Makakatapusan yan. Ikaw na lang na ikaw ang gagawa. No. You know. Nung una, ganun ako. Syempre, bago ka, you know. Yan, parang, ano ba yung term doon? Nagpapakitang gilas, ika nga. Kasi bago ka pa lang sa trabaho eh. Pero alam nyo, the more na nagbabait kayo, the more kayo nga abusuhin. Sasabihin okay lang pala. Sasabihin punta ka muna dito, may emergency. Ikaw naman si Eng-Eng, si Gagagaga, tatakbo. Tapos, hindi mo napansin, naubos na pala yung break hours mo. Buti sana kung babayaran ka nila during the in-between ng break hours mo, hindi naman. Kaya nga dito, kahit na, let's say, may ginagawa kang isang kwarto, sabihin na naglilinis ka ng isang kwarto, inabutan ka ng break hours mo, you have to stop. Hindi mo kailangan tapusin at maubos ng extra 15 more minutes na tatanggalin mo sa break hours mo. Unless na sasabihan mo yung boss mo na, may emergency, kailangan ko tapusin, I have to extend. And then, i-extend ko rin yung break ko. Ganun. Pero most of the time, sasabihin, you're taking too long sa mga breaks. Kaya, pag nagsaktong 11, mga 5 to 11, then you have to stop whatever you're doing and go. Ganun lang yan. Or let's say, may sisimulan kang gawin. 10 minutes before your break. Huwag mo na simulan. Kasi alam mo, hindi mo naman yun matatapos. You know? Pag alam mo, hindi mo matatapos ng ganong oras, sabihan mo lang, nagagawin mo yun pagbalik mo after my break. You know? I'm gonna start doing things after my break. Or I'll come back. I'll do it first thing when I came back. You know, when I come back. Pero kung sisimulan mo yan, ay, nakain na yung breaks mo. Nakain na yung breaks mo. Tapos, hindi ka pa na, pagod ka pa. You know? So, that's about it, guys. Anyways, so, tapos na naman ang break natin. Bilis ng oras. Time to go back to work. May emergency daw ako. So, gonna go there now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. And, ay, sana madagdagan pa yung subscribers ko. Sana madagdagan naman tayo. Sa bagay, hindi naman kasi ako masyado nagpo-post ng marami. I'll try, guys. I'll try to post as many as I can. Ay, nako. Bye for now. Please don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And you have watched IEM sa Canada, my YouTube channel. Thank you. Alright. Okie dokie.